Alright, this is Andrew with Joda Home Inspections. We're here today at 2839 Kentucky Ave doing a sewer scope. We've got the camera pushed out 105 feet to the city connection. Now we're going to pull it back and record it and see what we find. So that first connection point, that's called the nose on. That's where it goes from your lateral line into the city line. I'm going to flush the toilet. It looks like my camera is a little clouded. Just over 100 feet, that's pretty average. Average length of a sewer line is about 100 feet out. I'll get back to pulling it once I clean my camera head off. Just gotta wait for the water to reach it. There we go. Now it's nice and clean. So this looks like transite, which is a cement asbestos pipe. If you look up, you can see how it's kind of white as opposed to clay would be common in this time. And clay definitely has a much more of a red terracotta color to it. This is looking good. No standing water. Everything's flowing on its own with gravity. That indicates that you have proper grade. That looks like a clean out somewhere, probably out in the yard. If you look at the top of the pipe, you can see something, it's feeding into another pipe. That's probably an access point somewhere. I didn't see one outside, but a lot of times they are buried. That looks like another one. And that's a cast iron one, so it's very rusty and rough. You'll have some more pipe that transitions, I believe, to cast iron. I thought I saw some as I was pushing it out. I haven't seen any roots. I accessed this through a clean out in the basement. It's in the mechanical room. Okay, there's some cast iron. So cast iron is an original pipe. Eventually it'll need to be replaced because it gets so rough and rusty that it starts to catch on debris. It can also get very thin. That cast iron looks normal for the age. And then it transitions to a little piece of ABS, which is a plastic pipe. So I didn't see a ton of cast iron. That's probably the weakest link because eventually that'll need to be replaced. But overall, a really good looking sewer line. It was draining like it should. It was performing the way that it should today. So I'm going to end this recording.